Alright, here's what's happening now. Gonna start the car up, the Toyota. I've not driven this in a long time. I don't know, 8 months or so. Been having trouble with the battery. Something is draining the battery on a nightly basis. I do not know what it is. I've got to try and run through the fuses possibly. Maybe there's, if I pull one fuse at a time overnight and see what happens, if it drains it or not, and maybe I can isolate what it is. So right now it's supposed to get very cold tonight, maybe 15 degrees. So I need to get this car started and running and get the fluids running through it to prevent any freeze ups or anything like that. So, oh, by the way, this is a Toyota Solara 2001. Yeah, I think it's 2001. Using the truck over here, jump it. The Chevy Trailblazer. Inline 6. This is a 2002. Alright. So, that's pretty much what we got going on right now. Alright, so been charging this for a little bit. Here I am, I'm in the Toyota right now, and Moose is going to try and give this a start. We'll see if it's charged up enough. I don't know. There it goes. Yeah! Okay. Yeah, I really need to get this car fixed or find out what's draining the battery. I should be driving this car more often. It's much better on gas than the truck. I'd say this gets probably 5 or 8, maybe even 10 miles to the gallon more than the truck. It's cheaper to drive. We'll see. I mean, we'll see what happens. Alright, I'm going to let this run for a while now and let the battery get charged up off the alternator. Moose is cold. Brr. Brr. Alright, so had the car running a little while now. Everything should be cool. I think I will still disconnect this battery. Because like I said, I don't know exactly what is draining it. There's probably a loose ground somewhere or something else. If you have any ideas, you know, leave them in the comments, or how to maybe troubleshoot it, figure out what drains the battery. And it's not the battery is brand new. The alternator works fine. It's just when I park it and 24 hours later the battery will be dead or close to dead, where it will barely turn the car over. And this car doesn't actually need a lot of juice to turn it over. I mean, it's only a 4-cylinder. So, I don't want to sell this car or anything. This car is actually, well, the paint is peeling all off of it everywhere, or the clear coat is peeling. But it only has 179,000 on it. For 2001, I mean, this car is 17, 18 years old. It's less than 10,000 a year. It's a pretty good shape. I mean, knock on wood. So, anyway, this is your, you know, car tips of the day, or car troubles of the day, or jump starting a car in the cold weather of the day, or what is Moose doing right now of the day. Anyway, leave your comments, like, subscribe, thumb it up, thumb it down, whatever you want to do. Anyway, thanks for watching.